In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp images not showing in gallery. If your WhatsApp photos aren't appearing in your phone's gallery, the most common cause is a simple setting inside WhatsApp that hides media from your device's gallery to keep things tidy. We'll turn that on so new photos and videos you download from chats show up automatically. Start by opening WhatsApp on your Android device. On the main screen, look to the top right corner and tap the three dots to open the menu. From there, go to Settings, then choose Chats. This is where WhatsApp keeps all the options that control how your messages and media behave. Inside Chats, look for a switch called Media Visibility. When this setting is on, WhatsApp will allow newly downloaded photos and videos to appear in your phone's gallery app. If it's off, WhatsApp keeps them hidden. Toggle media visibility to the on position. That's the key fix for most people. Here's what to expect once you turn it on. Newly downloaded items will start showing in your gallery almost immediately after you download them from a chat. This setting doesn't usually change what's already hidden, so if older images are still missing, open the specific chats and download those photos again so they're saved in a way your gallery can see. It also helps to give your gallery a moment to refresh after downloading, or switch tabs in the gallery app and come back to trigger a quick refresh. If the issue seems limited to just one friend or one group, there's a per chat control you can adjust. Open the conversation that's causing trouble, tap the name or group title at the top to open the chat info screen, then find media visibility. Change it to default yes if you want it to follow the global switch you just enabled, or set it to yes to force that chat's photos and videos to appear in your gallery, even if other chats are hidden. This is useful if you only want certain conversations to populate your gallery. After making these changes, try downloading a new photo from a chat and check your gallery. If it isn't there yet, confirm the file actually finished downloading in WhatsApp. If you still see a download arrow on the thumbnail, tap it to complete the download and then check your gallery again. That's it. By turning on media visibility in chats and adjusting it for any specific conversations as needed, your WhatsApp photos should reliably appear in your gallery going forward.